And how does our transportation work? We receive your transport order about your shipment to our email address. We put all the data into the transportation system. We find our available driver and we send the transportation order over the GPS system to his vehicle. The driver receives the information for both locations. And he is already on the road to pick up your shipment. At the loading location, the driver loads the shipment and ties it safely. He changes the shipment status and informs the administrator. The administrator confirms the changed status and informs the client. We inform you about all the stages of your transportation progress. The administrator sends the driver to the unloading location over the CVS system. At the unloading location, the driver informs the administrator about the successful delivery. He scans the transportation documents and sends them to the administrator's email address. The administrator confirms the change in shipment status and completes the transportation order. When the transportation order is completed, our administration verifies all the transportation data and sends you an invoice.